Learn English naturally, just by watching.
Let's improve your English together, one real-life video at a time.
Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Me channel. I'm James.
And I'm Isabella. We're so happy you're here today.
Today we have a fun topic. We're talking about animals and pets.
Yes, animals are wonderful. Do you have a pet? Maybe a dog? A cat?
We'll teach you easy words and phrases to talk about your favorite animals in English.
And we'll share stories about our own pets too.
Before we start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our podcast.
Yes, and subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson. It really helps us.
Okay, let's begin. Isabella, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's talk about animals.
First, let's learn some basic animal words. These are common animals you see every day.
Great idea. Let's start with pets. A pet is an animal that lives with you at home.
Exactly. The most common pets are dogs and cats. Listen. Dog, cat.
Let me say them slowly. Dog. D-O-G. Dog.
Good. Now, cat. C-A-T. Cat.
Can you repeat after us? Say dog.
Nice job. Now say cat.
Excellent. You're doing great.
Now let's add more pets. There's also bird, fish, rabbit.
Let's practice. Listen first. Bird, like a parrot or a canary.
Fish, like a goldfish in a bowl.
Rabbit, a cute animal with long ears.
Let's repeat together. Say bird.
Good. Fish.
Perfect. Rabbit.
You're improving already.
Now, Isabella, do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
That's a beautiful name. What color is Luna?
Luna is white and gray. She's very soft.
I love cats. I have a dog. His name is Max.
Oh, nice. What kind of dog is Max?
Max is a golden retriever. He's big and friendly.
Did you hear that, everyone? We used simple sentences. I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
These are easy sentences you can use too.
Now let's learn how to describe your pet. We use adjectives, words that describe things.
Good explanation. Here are some useful adjectives for animals.
For size, we can say big, small, tiny.
Listen, big. My dog is big.
Small. My friend has a small cat.
Tiny. Her fish is tiny.
Let's try together. Repeat, big.
Great. Small.
Wonderful. Tiny.
Perfect.
We can also describe colors. Listen, black, white, brown, gray, orange.
My dog Max is golden. That means yellow-brown, like gold.
My cat Luna is white and gray. She has two colors.
We can also describe personality. Is your pet friendly, quiet, playful?
Yes, listen to these words. Friendly, playful, quiet, lazy, active.
Let's practice. Friendly means nice and kind. My dog is very friendly.
Playful means likes to play. Young cats are usually playful.
Quiet means doesn't make much noise. My neighbor's cat is very quiet.
Lazy means likes to sleep and rest a lot. Some cats are lazy.
That's true. Active means full of energy. Puppies are very active.
Let's repeat these words. Say friendly.
Good job. Playful.
Excellent. quiet.
You're doing amazing.
Now let's put it together. I'll make a sentence. Luna is a small white cat. She is quiet and lazy.
Perfect sentence. My turn. Max is a big golden dog. He is friendly and playful.
Did you hear? We used the adjectives to describe our pets.
You can do this too. Think about an animal you know. Is it big or small? What color is it?
That's a great question to think about.
Now let's talk about what pets do. We'll learn some action verbs.
Action verbs are very useful. Let's start with common actions. Dogs and cats sleep. Listen, sleep. Animals sleep a lot.
They also eat. Listen, eat. My cat Luna eats fish.
They drink water. Listen, drink. Max drinks water every day.
Let's practice. Say sleep. Nice. Eat.
Great. Drink.
You're getting better.
Here are more actions. Play, run, jump, walk.
Dogs love to play. Max plays with his ball every morning.
Dogs run fast. Listen, run. My neighbor's dog runs in the park.
Cats can jump very high. Listen, jump. Luna jumps on the sofa.
We walk our dogs. Listen, walk. I walk Max 2 times a day.
Let's repeat. Say play. Excellent. Run.
Perfect. Jump. You're doing wonderfully.
Now, some animals make sounds. Dogs bark. Listen, bark. Woof, woof.
Cats meow. Listen, meow. Meow, meow.
Birds sing. Listen, sing. Tweet, tweet.
These words are fun. Let's try. Say bark.
Good. Meow.
Nice. Sing.
That's great.
Let me make a sentence. Luna sleeps on my bed. She meows when she's hungry.
Perfect. Here's mine. Max runs in the park. He barks when he's happy.
These are simple, real sentences. You can make sentences like this too.
Yes. Just think, what does your pet do every day?
Now let's learn how to talk about your favorite animals.
Good. Not everyone has a pet, but everyone has a favorite animal.
We can ask, what is your favorite animal? Listen, what is your favorite animal?
Let's repeat together. Say, what is your favorite animal?
Great job.
To answer, we say, my favorite animal is... Listen, my favorite animal is a dog.
Let me try. My favorite animal is a dolphin.
Nice choice. Let's practice. Say, my favorite animal is...
Excellent. You can finish with any animal you like.
Let's learn some wild animals, too. These are animals in nature, not pets.
Yes, here are some common wild animals. Elephant, lion, tiger, monkey, dolphin.
Listen and repeat. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T.
Good. Lion.
Nice. Tiger.
Great. Monkey.
Perfect. Dolphin.
You're doing amazing.
Now we can say why we like an animal. We use because. Listen, because.
For example, I like dogs because they are friendly.
I like elephants because they are big and strong.
Let's practice this sentence. I like animal because reason.
Isabella, what's your favorite wild animal?
My favorite wild animal is a dolphin. I like dolphins because they are smart and beautiful.
That's a wonderful answer. My favorite wild animal is a lion. I like lions because they are strong and brave.
Did you hear our sentences? We used because to give a reason. You can do this too. Think, what is your favorite animal? Why do you like it? Let's learn some questions you can ask about pets and animals.
These questions are very useful in conversations.
Question 1. Do you have a pet? Listen, do you have a pet?
Let's repeat. Say, do you have a pet?
Perfect.
You can answer, yes, I have a dog. Or, no, I don't have a pet.
Question 2. What kind of pet do you have? Listen, what kind of pet do you have?
Repeat. What kind of pet do you have?
Great.
You can answer, I have a cat. Or, I have a fish.
Question 3. What's your pet's name? Listen, what's your pet's name?
Say, what's your pet's name?
Excellent.
Answer, my pet's name is, for example, my pet's name is Max.
Question 4. How old is your pet? Listen, how old is your pet?
Repeat, how old is your pet?
Wonderful.
Answer with a number. My dog is 3 years old. Or just, he's 3.
These are simple questions, but they help you have real conversations.
Practice these questions with your friends or classmates.
You'll sound natural and confident.
Wow, we learned so much today. Let's do a quick recap.
Yes, a recap means we review the important words and phrases.
First, we learned pet vocabulary. Dog, cat, bird, fish, rabbit.
We learned adjectives to describe animals: big, small, friendly, playful, quiet.
We learned action verbs: sleep, eat, drink, play, run, jump, walk.
We learned how to talk about favorite animals. My favorite animal is, and I like animal because.
And we learned useful questions. Do you have a pet? What kind of pet do you have? What's your pet's name?
That's a lot of new English. You should be proud.
Remember, practice is very important. Use these words every day.
Talk about animals with your friends. Describe pets you see on the street.
The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel.
You're improving already. Good job.
Before we finish, we have a fun community question for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you. Here's the question.
What is your favorite animal and why?
Think about it. Is it a pet or a wild animal?
Tell us in the comments below. We love reading your answers.
You can write, my favorite animal is a animal because reason.
For example, my favorite animal is a cat because cats are cute and quiet.
We'll read your comments and maybe answer some in our next episode.
Don't be shy. Every answer is good. We're all learning together.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed learning about animals and pets in English.
Remember to like this podcast and subscribe to Easy English Talk.
That way, you'll get our new lessons every week.
Share this podcast with your friends who are learning English too.
And don't forget to answer our community question in the comments.
Keep practicing, stay positive, and don't give up.
You're doing an amazing job. We believe in you.
See you next time on Easy English Talk.
Bye, everyone. Happy learning.
Bye!